Welcome in, guys. We are going to be opening up a Journeys Together booster bundle. You know how you guys always say Pokemon is the hit right now. So let's get hit. Let's hit with this Pokemon. Journeys Together, guys. Is it the hit? Is it Jigglypuff, Clefairy, with Lily? Let's see what we get out of here, guys. Little booster bundle. Let's see what we get out of here, guys. Let's see. Let's see. I never opened one before. My first time opening up a booster bundle. Let's see what we get, guys. Let's see. If you like Pokemon, like and subscribe, and open some more. You guys want the code card? Go ahead and take it. 1, 2, 3. Hoping. I think that's it. I don't think so. I think it's just 2. Nothing there. Come on, guys. Let's get something here. Oh, let's get something, guys. Let's get something. Let's get something. So it's just 1. Okay. That's we got Dra Darmatin. We got a low kicks. Combuskin. Got reverse fungus. We got a bombarder. How do you guys call them? No, this is a dud box. A dud box, guys. A dud box. A dud box, guys. Come on. Come on. Let's go. Sorry about that, guys. Arms are just crazy right now. I do sport breaks. You guys see me open Pokemon packs here and there. Little shorts. Fire energy. Bagoon. Wingo. Hug the Moro. Skewvet. Okay, let's keep moving. Articuno. We got a Lotad. We got a Rockruff. We got an EX. Not what we wanted, but we'll take them. How you guys' stores dealing with Pokemon? My GameStop is loaded with Pokemon right now. Water energy. Drampa. Durant. More green. Stunfisk. Golem. Excavator. Electrode. Matang. Drampa, another one. Butterfree. This is not good, guys. This is not good. Not good. Fire energy. Oh, it's lightning. It's lightning energy. We got nothing good yet besides a Voodoo EF. Voodoo. Voodooki EF. Foswick. Cloth. Lavencia. Professor's Research. Spring Tatio. That's like a lit. That's a Litten. See, guys, nothing yet. Nothing yet. We're not gonna get nothing besides that EX. That's the hate of these boxes, guys. Journeys together. Fire energy. Oh, there we go. Fire. Let's go. Let's get something. Let's get something. Join me tonight on we're doing a basketball break of Topps Chrome Mega Box. Hopefully we can hit my first basketball break, guys. My first one. Get into it. Get into it. Nothing here. So yeah, join me tonight. Like and subscribe as well if you like this video. And we can do more Pokemon here and there. But breaks are on almost all the time when I have boxes available. The struggle's real. So come on in for tonight's Topps Chrome break. Alright guys. See you there. Deuces. Wizard is out.